Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you know, I have been waiting for quite a few parts for the Aerox, and the first part that has arrived is the big disc kit. So I'm just showing it to you now. So this is the big disc kit, and it is raining cats and dogs, so I'm not able to do the filming outside. So I've just set up the bike. I've put it on main stand. I'll be just jacking the front up, and I will be dismantling the whole front, and will put you through a time lapse and have some cuts in between. So the stock Aerox disc is 230 mm, and what I have got is 270 mm. So that is around 40 mm of a difference, and basically translates to 4 centimeters of bigger diameter. So that should improve in the bite, which many people complain of. So watch out for the time lapse, and hopefully I will be able to post a review video also soon. So first things first, I got to jack up the front, because even on main stand the front wheel is on the ground. So let me just jack it up and see how easy or difficult it is. So the front is in the air. Now let me start loosening up things. So as simple as that, the front wheel is completely off. Now it's time to remove this disc and put in the aftermarket one. One very important thing while installing your disc is you need to use Loctite. You can see this, the blue color thing, it is Loctite. I don't have Loctite right now, but yeah, I'll be going ahead with the install, but later in the day I'll just go get Loctite and remove each nut individually and install it. So this is the difference in size basically. If you see, this is how bigger the disc is, almost 2 centimeters, so that translates to a diameter of around 4 centimeters. We'll be installing the blue disc now. So most of the install is done, and I'll be taking the bike out for a short spin. The only thing remaining is that I have to mount the wheel on the bike, which I'll be doing right now. And since my GoPro's battery is low, I don't think I'll be able to record that into the time lapse. So but as soon as it is mounted, what I'll do is I'll just put up a small video and end this video. So see you soon. Bye bye. So you would have seen the time lapse till now. What happened was I didn't have the tool for these 2 bolts, and I had to go to my friend, a mechanic friend who has a shop, and he does work on all the big bikes. So he helped me remove this, as you could see in the video, and I got it installed. And it's already dirty because yes, I have ridden it considerably. The brake bite is beautiful, and there is considerable improvement in the way the bike brakes, especially the way the front end behaves. So if you have any questions, you can ping me on Instagram about this, and I'll be more than happy to help you out with it. So I hope you have liked this video, and I'll keep getting in some new updates for the Aerox. So until then, ride hard, ride safe, always wear a mask, always wear a helmet. Bye bye.